Okay, hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency here in Nigeria very easy using a third-party app. In this video I will also be showing you how to a platform on which I operate in, where to buy this cryptocurrency. I will be using an application, a platform called Rooqqu. So for you to buy a cryptocurrency on Rooqqu, you need a third-party app. I mean a transaction app, an app that is used for transferring money, called Raven, as you can see it right here. So from this Raven now, we are going to put money into this Raven. When we are done putting money on this Raven, we can now transfer the money toward Rooqqu. From Rooqqu now, we can now buy any kind of coin that we want to buy. So let's proceed. This is my Raven app and it's opening. So I'm gonna copy. As you can see, it is 0. So I'm going to click on add money, and then I will go to bank transfer, copy the account number that is in there, and then from the account number, when I copy the account number, I will go and use my USSD of my bank to send money into the Raven account. As you can see, it has shown what successful. So if I go back to my Raven app, you see that the account that was 0 will become 10,000 naira. At least I believe by now I will be credited. You can see the account is still 0. I'm going to refresh the page, and 10,000 naira have just been accredited to this account. So from here, guys, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to our Rooqqu wallet, and then from our Rooqqu wallet we can be paired to somebody we are to send this money to, in another person that has a Raven account, an agent in a Rooqqu wallet that has a Raven account. We are going to pay this money to him or her, and then the person will now credit our Rooqqu wallet. So that's what we are going to do. So we are going to head to our Rooqqu wallet and see the next process. So now we are on our Rooqqu wallet. As you can see, this is our Rooqqu app up here. So we are going to click on it, and then we'll be asked to deposit money when we log in. So when we make the deposit, we put in the amount we want to deposit. The Rooqqu platform will pair us with one of its agents that has a Raven account, and then we'll be given the Raven link of the person in order to pay or transfer the money we have in our Raven, the 10,000 naira, to the person, and then the person is going to credit this our Rooqqu wallet. Once he credits us, within 5 minutes the money will arrive on this Rooqqu wallet, and then from there we can buy any coin we want to buy. So let's go through the process so that you can understand. So now we have to log in. I'm logging in with my fingerprint, and then I'll click on deposit, put in the amount I want to deposit, and then press proceed with deposit. After then I will also press on proceed. So I want you to pay attention right here. Here is, we have two type of transaction terminal here. You can decide to use bank to bank, bank pair to pair. But when you use this bank pair to pair, you may not have a pair, and mostly sometimes they will require that you deposit up to 50,000 naira before they can pair you. So but with wallet pair to pair, even 1,000 naira you can deposit, even 500 naira you can transfer into this Rooqqu account. So as a result, we are going to use wallet pair to pair, and in the wallet you will see other options, and we are going to use the option that is called Raven. So let's proceed. So as you can see right here, we have many options. There are many transaction apps. All these apps are used for financial transaction, naira transaction here in Nigeria. As you can see, we have Kuda, Beta, Wallet Africa, Hometown, and Raven. And as recommended here, they said Raven is the fastest, is the most active one. So it is Raven we are going to use. Just as you know, we use Raven in withdrawing money from our bank in the earlier part of this video. So right here, having clicked on Raven, we are brought to this platform where we are being paired to a Rooqqu agent. His name is Megashi. Okay, Megashi is the Rooqqu agent that we are going to transfer the money we have in our Raven to. And then before we can do that transfer, we need to take note of this terminal here. This one is called transfer narration. Okay, it's like the address of the person, the wallet address of the person. This transfer narration, we are going to copy it, and then when we copy it, we will now head over to our Raven app, and then a space will be provided where we are to input this narration code. Okay, when we put this narration code after the name of this person, Megashi, have appeared, we'll put the narration code, and then we'll now click on continue, and then the person will make the transfer to the person. Once we do the transfer to the person, we'll come back to our Rooqqu account and wait for 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, the person is to credit to our account. So another thing to note is that why after taking note of this person username Megashi and then copying the narration address, please at this time do not click on complete deposit. Make sure that you just have to minimize and go back to your Raven interface where you made that transaction, so that we can Raven interface, so that we can paste this narration code that correspond with the user the username of the agent that is going to transfer the money to us. Then after we are done with the transaction in the Raven, before we can now come back to Rooqqu to click on this complete deposit. Just take note of everything. Okay, just take note. So before we do the transaction, we need to go to this our Raven now. As you can see, we have Megashi here. So we are going to put in the narration code, okay, and then the amount we are going to deposit, and then we can now, since the name correspond, we have to check the name. We have to check that Megashi name correspond with the one we have in our Rooqqu. Okay, we have to cross check. That's Megashi and this Megashi. So now, once we know that it has correspond, we will now click on a complete transfer down here. So once we click on a proceed, the transaction will be made. So we have to put in our code, but I'm going to use my fingerprint, and then the transaction has just been made. As you can see up here, it has just been made. So we can now go to our Rooqqu platform to click on complete transaction, and then wait for at least within 5 minutes. We trust Megashi that he's going to credit our account in Rooqqu. Okay, so as you can see, the money we have up there have vanished. No more 10,000, it's now 0 naira. So that is how it works. Very, very smart and efficient, as you see. So now we are back to our Rooqqu platform. Okay, we can now come down to our complete transaction and click. But in most cases, I do advise that you should always take a screenshot of everything you do. Watch up there, of this Rooqqu platform, you can see our account there is 0. So in a few minutes from now, Megashi is going to credit this Rooqqu account, and it will become to be upgraded to 10,000 naira. So we are refreshing to know if he has made the transaction. He hasn't yet, so we believe in few minutes from now he is going to credit our account. So Rooqqu is a platform you use for cryptocurrency buying and selling. As you can see up here, we have deposit, buying, withdrawal. You can also use it to transfer money to other trading platform. You can also use it to buy airtime, and then we have a price alert. You can also swap coin right here and more other function. You can see Bitcoin and Ethereum, USDD, other coin, TRX, BNB, the rest of them are over here. Most of them are going down in price, some are going up. You can buy here, keep and sell at any time. So here is the current price of Shiba, and this is the coin that we want to buy today. Shiba is the coin we want to buy, is 0.03363. So we want to buy so that whenever the price goes up, we can sell it. As you can see, it's going down minus 9.4%. So we want to buy it now so that whenever the price goes up, we can sell it. So we are still waiting for Megashi to credit our account. So okay, as you can see right here, he has just done that. 10,000 naira deposited. Okay, so if we go up to refresh our page, this 10,000 naira will just reflect on this page. Okay, so please subscribe as you're watching so that we can be bringing more info for you. Okay, as you can see, this is the money, 10,000 naira. So we are going, this 10,000 naira. So the next thing we are going to do is to go down there where we have Shiba, so that we can buy the coin now that the price is still down, so that it does not increase beyond our purchasing power, so that we can gain whenever it goes up. So here is Shiba. We are going to click on it, and then we'll click on buy. So we're going to click on buy, and then put in the amount we want to buy. That is 10,000 naira Shiba, worth of Shiba. We want to buy 10,000 naira worth of Shiba. Then we'll now click on proceed with deposit, and then as you can see right here, we have 10,000 naira worth of Shiba, which will be equivalent to, so we'll put in our password, and you say here purchase successful. So when we go back to our platform, you see that the money we have up there have just disappeared. Okay, it has disappeared. But when we come down to check on our Shiba, you will see that we'll have a higher quantity of Shiba, because the money we used there have just been used to buy Shiba. As you can see now, we have up to 316,000, over 316,000 Shiba, as you see. And the price have also changed. You can see minus 10 now. So that is how you buy coin in this platform. That is how you deposit money to Rooqqu and then use the money to buy cryptocurrency. Very easy. So if you want to withdraw out your money, you do like the same. So guys, please do me a favor to hit the subscription button so that you can be alerted whenever we upload video. Also the notification bell so that you can always be informed whenever we do anything on this media. Then like, share, subscribe, and always check back for more video. The official links to download these apps, both the Raven and Rooqqu, is in the description of this video. Please kindly click on them to download them to avoid getting the scam one.